Hello everybody, welcome to our NEET Physics by our video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an multiple choice question in the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Work, Energy and Power. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in this year, that is 2025. Okay, so the kinetic energies of two similar cars, A and B, are 100 joules and 225 joules respectively. On applying brakes, car A stops after 1000 meter and car B stops after 1500 meter. Okay? So when you apply a brake, the car will not be stopped immediately. Is it not? It will not stop immediately. It will go to some distance, then only it will stop. Okay, 1000 meter. If F is equal to Fa and Fb are the forces applied by the brakes on cars A and B respectively, then the ratio Fa by Fb is how much? 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Which one is the right answer? This one. You know that by work kinetic energy theorem, work done W is equal to change in kinetic energy of the body. What is work done? What is the formula for work done? Force into distance, displacement. So F is equal to F dot S. So for car A, force into distance, Fa into Sa. What is Fa? Force applied to car A. What is Sa? Distance moved by car A. What is the distance moved by car A? 1000 meter. What is force applied to car A? That we have to find out. We have to find the ratio of Fa and Fb. For car B, Fb Sb is equal to Kb. So force into distance for car A, kinetic energy for car A. Force into distance for car B, kinetic energy for car B. So Fb is the force applied on the car. Okay. You see, distance moved by A is equal to 1000 meter. After applying, this car moved the distance 1000 meter. Okay, that's it. And Sb is the distance moved by car B, that is equal to 1000 meter. It has been given in the question. Okay. So Ka is equal to kinetic energy for car A, 100 joules. Kb, kinetic energy for car B, 220 joules. So what is equation 1? Fa Sa is equal to Ka. What is equation 2? Fb Sb is equal to Kb. So dividing equation by 1 by equation 2. Fa Sa divided by Fb Sb. That is equal to Ka by Kb. What is your aim? What you have to find out? You are asked to find the ratio Fa by Fb. So you keep Fa by Fb at the LHS and bring other things to the right hand side. So Ka by Kb is already under LHS. When Sb is numerator here, sorry, denominator here, when it goes to the RHS, it will be in the numerator. So Ka into Sb divided by Kb into Sa will go down. Kb into Sa. Now you can substitute the values. Fa by Fb is equal to. What is kinetic energy of A? 100 joules. What is Sb? 1000. Divided by. What is Kb? Kinetic energy of car B? 225. What is Sa? Distance moved by car A. In the previous slide, it has been given that. So, 2 zeros, let's cancel. 1 0, 1 0 cancel. Finally, 150 in the numerator, 225 in the denominator. 6 into 25, 150. 9 into 25, 225. You have to find the, you have to know the table for 25. Is it not? Okay. So 6 by 9. 150 divided by 225 is equal to 6 by 9. 6 25, 150, 9 25, 80. இதெல்லாம் தெரியணுமா சார்? தெரியணும் சார். தெரியும். Okay, சார். 6 by 9. So 2 by 3. So the ratio Fa by Fb is equal to 2 divided by 3. Option 4 is the right answer. Already I told you that this question has been asked in the NEET examination in this year 2025. Okay. So far we have seen totally 12 questions around put together 1 and 2 in this chapter, work, power and energy. We have seen 12 questions so far. We will see one more question in this chapter. After that, we will see questions from other chapters also. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.